glad you're there with me. Finally get to meet you and me have her in my life. Because past relationship never happy none at all. Until I feel stress out. Ex one mad woman that day.
Let me know what you tell me, but normally conversation lead to things and me tell us that we're not gonna do nothing, we just talk.
Well, to be honest, my name did have that for my mind still, but if you forward my way, me I go take it. Not refuse it.
Nothing not gonna happen, we just want to talk, because we have a lot on my mind.
Hey, you think me no know say you did there with Gyal? Finally, when you ready to know, what you gonna tell me say?
Annie,
Annie, I
me
can't
ain't talk about this already. Why you come in here and scare me, woman? Me ain't talk about this already, me ain't left. Me can't bother with you.
You author, who authorized you?
Me authorize that.
No, so
Me can't have no
You
really.
can't let me know.
Brother, look me in. I just authorize.
Calm down this.
Me don't have no relationship. You're crafty in my life. Just avoid me now. And me have a wonderful relationship.
No man never ever hurt you again. Ever. Jesus.
Oh, I'm here for nice lady.
Yeah, thanks. The bag them heavy.
Oh, nice to meet you. So, where you from?
Just around there on ice cream.
My name is Kevin, and you?
Annie. Nice to meet you, Kevin. It seems nice.
Of course I am.
Because normally people don't just help people like that nowadays.
True. So, you have any boyfriend?
No, I'm single.
You single?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm sure so I'm single. If me did have a boyfriend, you would have to help me with the bag.
You have a nice sweet girl like I am. You know, make you want to come to supermarket and carry no heavy bag, you know.
I become a single, that's why.
So like you're single, you can follow you go take taxi.
Yeah, sure, why not? Can you carry bag for me? Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Nice, slim as a bee, you know.
Thanks.
And if you have anybody, you know. B, me not understand. Where waitress there? How all know we can't see her come? It take too long.
Well, babe, we must have them place here kind of fast so they will ever pull up on anything. You just have to have vacation, babe.
Oh, sorry, Bill.
Hi guys, good night. Sorry for the long waiting. It's because the bar is very busy and we have a lot of customers tonight. So I'm really sorry
No,
for that.
no, man, that's okay. You don't have to apologize.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hope you guys enjoy and have a wonderful night, okay?
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Where you know that girl? Where you know that girl from?
B, now first me I come
What
here.
you mean? I see girl that look fine and she a bit too nice. Me don't want nobody a bit too nice to my man.
So, me no know her. At first we are come over here and return from nowhere.
But you a bit too nice. To stranger, you say you don't know.
B, come on, man.
Don't.
Remember with the people in place. Ah, nice.
Oh,
A nice-
who they are which people
A
place?
nice place with this.
Place. It could have nice so till I don't care.
Just enjoy drink, B, and just cool, B.
So that's why you can't come here so cause you know somebody else so.
Babe, stop act like you're mad, man. Sure.
Oh, so me mad now. Don't call me mad. You look like me mad.
B, just be nice, B. Me care if you have, me care upon date and look how you dey act.
Because me know nobody else. Be you see them thing here, you know, we need to grow out them stuff here.
B, relax, you know what me love, I mean, I do them do something, babe.
Be me no think you love me like how me love you. Me all want live inside of your body how me love you.
Me,
Yeah.
wanna live inside of your brain too, me love you, babe. Wanna have your brain just to control your body.
Oh. So be sorry about that here.
That good, man, a normal prayer, man.
You can pull this to me, please, bro.
Oh, wow. Enjoy.
Hey, girl. You know how long me a trail you? You don't remember me? You don't remember my face?
I know you.
Hey, girl, no you serve me and my man one of the night when me come at your place where you work. What kind of eye contact me see you give me, man, girl? What you know about my man?
I know your man. Who is your man? Like, me literally don't remember you. I
Hey,
was
girl.
just doing my job.
You see if me ever have the least idea. Say you and me man there.
What?
Hey, girl, let me go. You see if me ever have the least idea say you and me man there. I don't want to tell her what me da do. Hey, girl, run away. Alright.
But then so I tell you say I have more than one woman, you know. You see how much of woman me have right now.
Be
What's up, babe?
me carry lunch for you.
For me?
Yeah, B, me eat already, so me I wonder if you eat.
Wow.
You like it, B?
Of course.
Yeah, me just did I wonder if you eat.
No, you know, some day I'm hungry because me just start work.
Oh, see this, see?
Thanks, me appreciate it.
Yeah, B.
Can I get a hug?
So, B, and I introduce with your friend.
Oh, this is Mark. Mark, this is Annie, my new girlfriend.
Nice to meet you.
No, sorry. It only somebody me greet, I'm a man. Me don't shake hands with other people.
Okay.
That's enough love, you know, babe.
Yeah, B.
Yo, you not disappoint me, you know.
No,
Cause me think you're gonna shake my friend and, you know.
me don't know him, B.
Oh.
Anyways, B, me I come go back home and cook for you later, yeah?
Alright, me I come cook my favorite, you know.
Yeah, B.
What's your favorite?
Stew peas
2 peas.
and jasmine rice. Later, yeah, B.
Alright, babe, take care.
Look like you find a new mother, man. A woman.
You can't ask that you're blind, bro.
She can want one bun and want one Sprite for you, not even cheese.
Up to you, man, bro. You have to appreciate anything what a woman do for you. She might not bring no jasmine rice, but me I go home to that look more.
She could at least get one box food come give you, but how she just pop up so, brother?
Mark, you know, sir, jasmine rice and stew peas me I go home to. But me I do it box food. This have to just look a munch pan.
You look like she plan for tire, man, because if she has said she want to make you stew peas, she must go tire.
So no good thing that, bro.
Well, we fall in love, man.
I don't fall, I drop in love.
Alright, go and be the first.
See, someone you find one woman to and second don't like for me, woman will look out for me.
We have me 5 or 6 women. Can't no woman, but just pop up on me, so.
So now, the 5 and 6 woman now care about you. If you have a personal, bro.
Brother, she just pop up on you, see you think say that okay?
What you mean? You know must have feel okay.
Yeah, man.
B, you know, say, I like over here.
Mm.
Yeah, place nice and silent, you know.
Best place look like my bringer then man.
Yeah. But I just want to take my time to get to know you, but more you do something for me because sometimes I'm a bit lonely.
Yeah.
I think you want to come live with me, like move in and live with me.
Why? You know some not too believe in that. You ever see no man that take up themselves and go move with no man nowadays?
Of course, once respect and love did it don't really matter who move in.
Yeah. Things and time change.
You want make it change.
They say when they look for me now, I ask me say if they could have move in with me.
Alright. I'm gonna rephrase it. Probably may ask the question you think if I move in and live with you?
Well, that kinda sound much better.
Kevin, me no take relationship for a joking. Me take relationship very serious.
But
But to me's a very serious girl and from me love you, me love you.
B, you take relationship serious too, you know. We are Jamaican now. Jamaican man we don't give bun.
We see about that. We see how far that go. B, I want to taste some of my ice cream. The flavor here nice now.
Sure, why not? Tastes very good.
Mm.
So where the point, Kevin?
Same day I do a mark. Say everything good.
There, man. This are going cool out, you know.
Man.
So your moms are going.
Why? You know say Annie tell me say she want to move in though dog.
What is it?
Annie tell me say she want to move in.
So yeah, you consider for make she move in with you?
Of course. How you think? The right idea.
Brother, I think that's a one bad idea. May I tell you the truth?
How?
Alright, me explain. Me see this field all the time with man and woman now. You see anytime when you make your woman move in with your brother, different person man, then transform. You wonder if I see a woman you really chat to brother. Better if you make she come and leave, brother. You make no girl sleep in your yard.
Bro, me take my relationship serious, you know. And she take fear serious too. Remember say one hand can clap, you know.
True that.
As a good friend, I suppose if you tell me say it's a good idea that.
As a good friend, me I tell you say it's a bad idea. Me nah say you know for be in a relationship with her, you know. Cause she pop up other day at our workplace and she don't seem like one bad person. But at the same time, brother, you know what when she move in, she a go tell you what time if you come in her house, what you fi do. You want spread out and don't do nothing for you whole day. She a come tell you say, come cook or come wash up plate, this and that, brother. You fi move on your own time and you can't make no woman live a yard and them boss.
Mark, a foolness she a tell me no Mark. Right now you not motivate me no. You want me up and done with 100 girl live careless life.
Bro, you know, tell us if you live no careless life, you know. But if you always have one, if you back up, so when one a act one way, you move on to the next one. You understand?
My woman loyal, me no need no backup.
That is what you think. What if she have one man on the side? Hmm?
Boy, I don't say true that. But to her she move, look like I'm one she a link with.
Alright, that good enough. Me not tell us if you go and have no bag of woman. But all I'm saying, you just so I go meet the girl, bro. You're gonna make she move in less than 1 month. That no sound right. That don't sound right, bro. Me I tell you the truth. Sometimes you not even make no woman live with you till you married. So just take my advice, man. Now make sure you control her, bro, until about come move in. Move in what?
So Mark, you don't think I best thing that we make she move in. When she there road by herself up and down. Me not gonna know what she a do. When she there my yard, you know, she lucky in, you know. Me will know what she a do the time there, you know.
So the reason why you want her to move in because you want to watch her?
Yeah. You know she Lego all over the place, up and down all about.
Me never know you have somebody who watch you, man, brother.
Mark, just cool, no, man. That one like saying I watch your woman them too.
Bro, me have too much to watch right now, so I don't have time for that. But, bro, you have to make a decision, you know. But, just do you, bro. When I tell you again, don't make no woman move in with you. Wow.
Sure, no, say me can't tell her that, you know, Mark.
Because you're not seeing her moving with me. But, you see, when you're catching a problem with her, don't call my phone. That's all I tell you. Don't call my phone.
Miss Johnson. Miss Johnson.
Hello?
Good morning.
Morning. How can I help you?
I'm your Kevin girlfriend, Annie. Good evening. Good morning. You can come inside.
Hang on a minute.
Nice meeting you. Yeah, okay.
Yes, I'm okay.
Oh, Kevin, are they here?
No?
Oh.
And
We live together about two sometime you know say him stop by me no know if him did that up here.
he's not here. And how long you and Kevin there together?
Couple months now.
So, at the first, me I see you and him no mention your known tall to me as his mother.
Wow, that's surprising though.
So, how you know say, me and him mother? And how you know say I saw me live?
Yeah, him tell me a lot about you and you know I am a family person so me just take it my point of duty if come meet you and see as everything is going on.
What's your name again? What is your
Annie.
name?
My name is Annie.
Annie.
Yes.
So, where in Jamaica you from?
Negril.
How of your mother? What your father name?
I don't think we really need to get down in that details.
Why not? So, Kevin never tell me about you, you know. This is his first time I'm seeing you. I need to ask you some questions. I don't know your background or nothing. So you can come and tell me anything.
Miss Johnson, no, I don't have a bad background, but I just don't want to go into that details, ma'am.
So what are you trying to say?
You have anything in your fridge can drink?
I must not ask any personal question?
Yes, ma'am, but you have anything in your house can drink?
You
I'm
just come and you're thirsty already?
Yes, the sun hot.
Alright, I'm going to get some juice and give it to you.
Okay, ma'am, thanks.
Here you go.
Thanks very much. But Miss Johnson, you make good apple juice, man. That's why your son stays so.
It's not apple.
Is what, Miss Johnson?
Pine and guava.
Oh, taste like
With ginger in there.
Oh, so then blend up here, your son.
And a blend juice, a tongue.
Miss Johnson, man, make up your mind. Miss Johnson, what in I cup, ma'am?
You don't know the pineapple and guava tongue we didn't have and you just add little ginger with it.
Ma'am, me no drink tongue. I just taste like tongue, ma'am.
Alright,
But anyways.
quench your thirst. Where else did it come out?
I just come for meet you, ma'am. I just want to see who Kevin a talk about. His mother nice and his mother was big and this and that. So, you know, I am a family person, as I said before, ma'am. So, I just come for meet you. You're nice, though. I like you.
Okay, nice meeting you too. And tell Kevin that I need to speak to him anytime you see him. Wherever I'm there, when he reach home, can you say and him live, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I remember I've never met you before. I need to speak to my son.
Miss Johnson, like the drinks.
Mm.
Your fridge is working very fine, ma'am, because I feel like the juice I freeze my brain. But it was nice meeting you, ma'am. Ma'am, you see, anytime you want any assistance around, your clothes to wash, your house to clean, you can call me anytime.
Nice meeting you, Annie. You can leave now. Tell Kevin that I need to speak to him, yeah? Remember that.
Okay, ma'am, thanks.
You sure you don't need any more?
No, ma'am, I don't need any more.
Okay.
Can I get a hug, please, ma'am? Nice meeting you, ma'am.
Nice meeting you too.
Remember now, anything you need, you call me. I hear anything to do with around, you can call me, okay?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Hello, Kevin. Where are you? I need to talk to you right now. Yes. Yes, come right here. You're at my home? I'm not on the street. Yeah, come. Right now. Okay.
What about? Where look so? So I'm worried on the phone. Me not like your son. What about?
Kevin, one young girl just come here to me. Say she name Annie. And tell me say you and her live together for a while now. Me not understand how me no know about that girl there and you never mention her name or nothing pertaining to her. Seems like you tell her everything about me. She know where me live, she know my name. And me not like her attitude.
Why you not like her attitude, mommy? She disrespect you?
No, she did not disrespect me and I won't tell a lie on her. She just pushy, you know?
No, mommy, man. She not pushy, you know. She just excited, mommy. After when she come look for you, know, me and her, you know, but cause me I tell her about it, you know, and I like say me I hide, you know. Me not hide nothing from her, you know. Me tell her everything about you. And that's why she even pull up, cause me did don't tell her so one day we have to come look for you. But me don't know how she just pop up.
You know, she act like she rush things before time. You see them kind of girl, eh? I don't want to judge her wrongfully, you know, but the way she behave in front of me. Like them girl there. You know them type of girl that will push on all marriage for you. If you're not ready,
Yeah.
them demand you to do things you don't want to do before the time. That's so she behave. Me not like it. So you need to talk to her.
No, mommy, me not feel say she would just jump on marriage. I just a person who love family, you know. He's a family person.
Okay.
So you not for your head, mommy. As when me tell her, say, remember me did tell her, you know, I found when we did come look for you, know, but just because relationship fresh, like me we not reach already, but me not understand how she just pull up by herself. Even let me know behind my back. Babe, you know someone want to talk to you about something?
But what now? What me do?
Come on, go see her.
What you say me do now, because like me not get it. What me do?
Babe, what kind of style? Wait, my mother called me and tell me, say, you just pop up on her, so.
Kevin, what that supposed to mean? What kind of style? Like, you see nobody get charged if you go look for one family member?
But B, me tell her say things take time.
Kevin, this a take too long. If your boundaries make me feel like say you're about to cheat or Yeah, hide something, brother. Me not like this, brother. No, Kevin, man. So me make it my point of duty to go and meet her. Should I go?
Why you shouldn't do that behind my back?
Where you did
You
there when
even
me do
call
that?
or text me and tell me.
Where you did there when me do that?
What you mean? Where they ask me did there for? Where you do that for?
Because me have all rights to do that, Kevin.
You don't have no rights. You have all wrongs there, so.
No, I
You
am
call
mad
that
at-
rights.
Yeah.
You make it woman call me from when me did there now. I tell me say you just pop up. Me did tell us if you pop up.
Kevin, that shouldn't be a problem. Look how long me tell us I want meet the lady every day soon. No, me go and me do it promise by my own. You go make it look like say me should do that. Kevin, if you don't want this right now, you just tell me, cause this don't make no sense, brother. You have problem with everything me do. Kevin, right now me just tired. If you don't want this, I just tell
Yeah.
me, Kevin.
Just take it easy. Me explain. I'm tell you already. Say things take time. Once
But Kevin, we have something serious going on here. If you want to take the relationship serious, take it serious. So me make it my point of duty to go.
we take it serious, of course, be but step by step.
Step away you walk pan Kevin. Me no want hear no step by no step.
Be me not quarrel or nothing, you know. But make sure say anything you do next time, just make me know. Me not have a problem by you meeting my mother. Just make me know. Me just pop up on my people them just so and make me know.
Okay, Kevin. Anything you say?
Suppose I did pop up on my mother this, you know.
This who Kevin?
Me just a try show you a simple example.
B, come on for that man. Me cook your favorite.
Yeah?
Guess what?
Tell me now.
Stew peas and jasmine rice.
So where they?
No must in a pot in a kitchen.
So where we at pan for go for?
Oh.
That's why I have to love you, so you know be.
You see thing.
You couldn't cool it for me.
Then it must hot if it's stove just like off. Who fi cool it tea? You know drink cold tea or hot tea you drink. If I do that how I gas go boss.
You hot man, you hot.
Then it must hot man. If you place hot so imagine the tea.
Try drink as much as you can drink. Kinda late. Go to work.
Yeah, we know say you late. Hurry up.
You go want to cook some food for me. So when I come home, we can get dinner or me leave work, come for lunch.
Okay.
The hot beef. Thanks.
Then it must hot if it just a like off.
Yeah, because I come to work, you know.
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I want. What here? Yeah, then I'm going to have a phone.
Yes, me change a password. Because me not think it's fair enough for we in our relationship. And you have that the long password upon your phone. And me not remember, so me put it from 1 to 4. Me change the password to something where me can remember.
But you know, I'm not right, so I change my password.
Me have rights, cause we there. So me have rights. And me delete every text and every block everybody where you text. Me no want you text nobody. Even though you not say nothing, but to no one another don't want you to text anyone.
Now come go back to work. You have something else. You're different.
Thanks.
Later. James,
Baby,
how are you doing with my marina? Them me look for them and can't find them.
B, me organize the clothing. Underpants in a one jar, socks in a one jar, merino in a one jar, shirt in a one jar, pants and shorts in a one jar. Baby, you can't have your clothes them all over, throw down all over just like that. Your clothes them have to fold up and organize.
But me not used to them next style, but
You have to
anyway,
get
still.
used to it because you can't so chaka chaka and throw down, throw down. Me's a girl like this, me not like see place looking untidy.
Anyway, still, me work with it.
Yeah, B, you soon get used to it. And B, you see two bottom jaw them, you go see me close them in a them. You hear me take it two bottom jaw them for myself.
Alright then.
Yeah, B.
Yo. Me there up a river, you know. Yeah, man, you can't forward, man. Alright, me there wait for you. Over near a cave. Yeah. Right up on.
What do you know, Mark?
Yeah, man.
You know, say come like you did right, what do you?
Bowa. Cause me write about a lot of things, you know, so you have to be more specific.
Bro, it come like you did know what did ever go on. You know, say Annie. From me moving Annie, bro. You can't, you know, breeze me, bro. Can't get no free time, no space, me feel clustered, bro. You don't know what she all do to, bro. Pop up on my mother yard, what do you? And she no text or call me and tell me.
So wait, you introduced her to your mother before?
No, bro.
So she know which part your mother live?
Me tell her, me give her information about everything about my mother.
So what she said to you when you tell her that? When she pop up with your mother, what you said to her?
Boy, it's a long story, Mark. Long story.
Bro, you have to create boundaries, you have to tell her, say, oh, that never cool.
I feel so we can fix things though, bro.
This someone.
We love her, you know, bro.
Love. So you tell me, say, oh, no problem. Now you can't tell me, say, oh, you think say you can't fix it. So what you tell me for then? Me tell her this, I never want to hear nothing from you, you know? And you tell me now. What you expect me to tell her?
She been through a lot, bro. Just because she been through a lot. But I'm gonna fix her, bro.
This someone about you gonna fix her. You a doctor? Listen to me, I say. Left the girl. Left the mad girl, bro.
Yo, man, don't tell me to left with woman. Me never yet see her with a woman and tell her to left them. I choose she love me, make sure you watch me, and I think so.
Alright. Alright, Kevin. See?
Never see a woman watch a man when she don't love.
Me now say she don't love her, you know. But there's a thing called over possessing. You understand? You can't make the girl a control what you want to do. Cause if she a control you now, just wait till you're married or evil. What if you breed her?
It's not a good thing that. You know, I'm get a youth, Mark.
Kevin, please tell me, say, you gotta protect yourself with she, right? Don't breed her, you know? So what else she do? Tell me.
Bro, I just feel look at things, bro, when I make sense, she do, bro. All I search my phone and then something, and she know me not give her no money, no. She know me loyal to her.
You see, anytime when a girl moves up, most time, them are cheat, you know? So you better look into that.
No, man, I feel say I love she love me, man.
You know, so me feel like you're an idiot.
Mark, you really call me idiot.
Alright, hear what me I say. Where you say she got through things.
Yeah,
She have trauma.
yeah,
And you want to fix her?
yeah, bro.
Left her. That is my final say.
You know a star, Mark. You know, say better me left fire sucker. Bro, what if you attempt to left my woman?
How long me and you know each other?
Years now.
So why you think so stupid me I tell you for do?
Bro, of course that's something stupid you tell me, because you
Me feel
can't tell me to left my woman. Never see you with none of your woman, them and tell her to left her.
You know, so me feel like I first time I get one woman. That's why I have
Bro,
so.
Mark, a long time I know me. Long time I been a do this, Mark.
Yeah, that's why I know say you never have one woman before.
Mark, you violate me, Mark. You diss me, Mark.
Alright. You know what? Go on.
Now go about my business,
Just
Mark.
remember what me tell her, you know. Do not breed her and do not ask back for my opinion.
Well, man, Mark, because you not teach me right. And wrong you dey tell me.
Annie, where you do me at?
What you mean by what me I do here yard?
Yeah, cause how you know which one I live? I can't even tell you which one I live.
Feel like say you can brainwash my man against me. You feel like say you can get in my man brain about me. What the hell you tell him man about how? I want my two and I have no woman. Me can't do this. Look pan you. Look pan you. No girl no want you. So you try to corrupt my man against me. For what?
First of all, the amount of woman me not have time to even count the amount of woman me have.
Yeah.
Right now my phone a ring for morning.
Oh.
The reason why me just not live with none because me not think of moving with no woman so quick.
Oh. Never see smoke without fire. That's why you corrupt Kevin. You want Kevin to live with dirty mentality and lifestyle as you. Ever hear them say, show me your company and me tell you who me are. Listen to me. You're not going to corrupt my man, you know. You're not going to corrupt him against me. Because you see, true, you want to live your dirty lifestyle. You want to drag him in it. Please, me beg you to leave him alone.
Annie, listen to me. You do too much talking right now. Listen to me.
But you mash up my relationship.
Listen, man. Yes, you can call me dirty person, you know. Even though me don't know you, so you shouldn't even call me no bad.
Stop walking and mash up my relationship. I'm tired of you.
Alright, Miss Annie. But listen to me. Now if you a relationship alone, because you look like your time.
Hello, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this and get this now. Register it in your brain. Get a book and a pen in your brain. You see, if you don't leave me, and my man alone, you don't like what me I go do to you. You try avoid me and my man, you know, and come out of my relationship coming in years. And you know have none. Alright.
What's up?
Yeah, man.
Evening.
Evening. You alright?
Yeah, man, you?
Good.
Well, mommy, I know say me have something to tell her though. Right now, Annie has stressed me.
What should I know?
Me, it's a long story, but me I cut it short. Annie is a woman when me take up now for myself. Wait. Sometimes I'm sorry and sometimes I'm glad. Cause it's just toxic. It's a girl right now way. Nah, give me no room. Nah, give me no space for me. And just a watch me so.
So, when I say she a watch you, what you mean? You do something where you feel guilty and you don't want to see if you see you. Why you feel one way when you see say, like anywhere where you see her? Why you feel that way? You do something wrong?
If me did I do something wrong with her, but I know so bad, but she knowing herself, so me nah do nothing wrong now, but yet she still a watch me. She
Kevin.
pop up. Even what day she pop up at your yard now. She come at my workplace, come pop up, you know.
Kevin. Remember some of young people, you know, she young. She can young and in love and feel insecure. You know? And feel one kind of way jealous and they wonder if you have another girl with her. Me never say I have another woman, you know, me just tell her say she can feel the way they. Them something they lead up to insecure. That means she will watch you. All when you not do nothing, she will feel like you do something. And if you do it make it worse. So just talk to her.
But I'm
And
tired,
see if things can work
tired
out
to
between
talk
two.
to her, mom.
Hmm?
Tired to talk to her. Come like she not change. The more me talk to her, I worse and worse as she get. When she feel get better.
I'm go open and put on no fighting them there, you know.
No, mommy, I know say you no grow your sons already.
Cause it's not nice when man can turn the woman beater from them young. That mean you go in you all when you're older. Me no want you put your hand on nobody girl pick me. It not right. You understand? So if you love her, you go show her say you love her. And if she love you, you will know. But you just have to show her all of the attention, you know, and the affection and you know the TLC make she understand say I just she and a she you love. So what should they do with the watching thing? It don't make no sense, it not necessary. So just talk to her and tell her if she stop. Or you make she look out job. If she there work, you know, me not say her mind won't flashback on her, you know.
Yeah.
But at least she have to concentrate on her job. She wouldn't have time for the walk up and down and watch you. Up and down, they see if you did they say I do this or you did they so I do that. You understand? Encourage her to get a job.
No, say that me have to go do.
Yeah, man. If she a job, she not no time for go there, so she go want the money. When she work, she want her pay. So she not go have no time there. I wonder if Kevin did this, I wonder if Kevin did that. Make sure get a job, man. And you must work too and it
Yeah,
will help one another.
I wonder if when she get a job, if she go focus.
Maybe, you never know. Just try. And talk to her about her own job and something. And see if I see him. Well, if you work out the same, and what else you tell us, you know, the only thing we could tell us if you care about one psychiatrist, because I hope you're so that mentally, you know, something would have wrong up there. Because if you're not give her no bun, and she feel insecure for no reason, something wrong then. And sometimes, me a woman, you know, me I tell her something. You know, say sometimes, my son, when we woman judge man wrongfully, say them a do this and them a do that, how we a do it, you know? But we are blame you or uno then as man. If it's something where we are do too, we know want uno suspect or expect or feel insecure, say yeah. Me woman a this and me woman a that. That time they me a do it wrong, but me no want have no idea say me a do it. And sometimes I uno a do it too. So the woman feel insecure, so you have to understand. Maybe she love you like that, make sure you watch you. But talk to her about the job as me tell you.
You know, say this gonna be last time I go chat to her still.
I sound like it only in a war, so.
No, no, say we no in no war though, mommy. I just one problem, that said problem that me I tell her earlier, and I just that alone me have with her. She not give me
You
no
feel
space.
uncomfortable,
Yeah.
like how you realize say she a watch and then something like.
Yes, mommy.
Alright, so me no want go in a young people life, you know, for no relationship different, you know, because when you two want to go put on your head pan pill and sitting, well, you know, remember about your mother, you know. Just try and work it out with her. Because she love you and you love her. Me can't tell you if you go fight her for people and pick me. You understand?
B, you know, say me have something I want to talk.
No, Kevin. Me have something me want to talk to you about very important than what you have to tell me. Say. Kevin, what you mean by say Mark see me on the road and I go attack me about you?
Who? My friend Mark.
How much Mark you know?
My friend talking about.
Kevin, your friend go make me to know say me figure space. I'm a this, I'm a that. I'm a crosses. Everything that's bad, Mark said to me.
Mark, no, do that. Mark, me don't think Mark will do that.
Mark call me crosses, Annie.
Just show you know, Mark.
Mark, I go tell me say, be you know everything what we been through, you know say me lose my baby. You know say me not get over that, me stress out and Mark I go dash everything in my face. Mark all tell me say you soon left me. Right now be stress out, me can't bother, me just can't.
Probably. I'm telling with Mark now. Mark is a person way. Understand. You know, you say two y'all pull up in my workplace and you never do. I pull up on my man and
man,
yard.
Mark a work hard to mash up this. Me no know. Mark a work hard. Kevin, just looking at me and say, no, Mark gone now with personal life.
B, me kinda apologize to Mark still. Me not feel say he woulda do that. Mash up a relationship. Me feel like say in the lookout for me as a virgin. But
Sure.
B, pan a big man thing B, you're too ups, you not give me no room. Can't everywhere me there they watch me and I pull up on my workplace. You can't do them something to be. So what you go over my mother there. And me talk to you and still do the said thing. You come
So
pull up on my
Kevin,
workplace.
this so feel right. So Kevin, who you want to watch you, who you want to obsess with you? I can't,
B,
Kevin, I
B,
can't,
cannot.
I can't, woman, you have for me, Kevin. This traumatizing. Kevin, really?
B, just relax and I really say I
If
just
me
want
never
to
love
tell
you,
you.
mood I do all of this, Kevin. Mood I do all of this. Mood obsessed. Mood go your mother yard. Mood pop up on your work. Mood do all of this, Kevin.
B, I say that and I really left you want to you know that none of my plans you know.
So
I just one thing me I beg for just give me a room.
you love you real bad, you know. Like, me not think you understand the level of love of me I feel, you know, babe. Be you know come like you love me, you know love me no more. Cause to me come like you want pick side. Mark no want see me be and you just come like you want work with it.
We are gonna work things out. I try to fix things. You hear? Only thing me I beg you to do, just give me a little space, little freedom. And we good.
Baby, what am I to you?
Be right now, I don't even know if I explain. I swear.
Cause why? What happened?
They are wrecked today and get a call say Mark meet in an accident, a terrible accident be.
Jesus, peace. You better mark name by the buy no car and continue walk. When go take up on himself? Jesus.
Me couldn't even bother work. I was just left work and come on my yard.
Me understand, man. So, me, what is it happen? Like, you can't just cross so what happen?
Boy them just say Just a drive and the brake just cut off upon him and he meet in a terrible accident and in the hospital and boy, we right now come like two of them and say it to me, come like they want have if he say him not gonna live. Me no, boy, I don't even know how to say right now. I'm stressed out.
Hey, don't worry about that, man. Everything go alright. Remember, say accident do happen, you know. Boy, be a say go. Bad things always happen to good people. Now stop stress about that, man. Everything go alright.
Where the pan?
Yeah, you know, bro. You're good.
I'm there.
Come out, there, son. We're going to show you. Bro,
Hmm.
told me your accident go and I think it mash up worse than this.
So brother, you know look like my mash up. Right now me dey on be a painkiller, brother. Right now they not even discharge me yet. And I hospital I'm still there a lid on.
Hey, so where you come out for, bro?
Brother, cause me have something to tell you.
Oh, someone has see you. You're serious, you know, brother?
But I want to tell you quick. Come look on this. Who that? Who that I go on my car?
I don't know, bro.
I know your woman that.
My woman, Annie. So what she do under your car?
Look on the video good, bro. You know, sister, I feel woman that. I want my neighbor them send me this morning. Me could never believe. Brother, it look like your woman go under my car and cut my brake line. Right now, me lucky, so me alive, you know.
Bro, so why Annie would do that, bro?
Listen to me, no man. You know, obvious, the woman want get me killed. The woman no want me to be friend with you. Brother, you see CMD when you call me and I show me pre-men say, oh, she act kind of weird.
Yeah, bro.
Same time she come on my yard and she there my yard, you know, there my house, a weird problem. Me I want the house, she know which part I live. I tell me say, oh, she don't want me to keep your company and this and that. Me I try convince her to do there with her or something.
Bro, thank you. I'm glad not too much now there, bro. And no worry your head, bro. Me know what to do.
Brother, you need to get rid of the girl out of your life, bro. She's a mad girl.
Bro, I say no worry your head. Me know what to do. Me just glad how you're still alive. You don't lose your life. And you're there road can talk to me right now.
Brother, just make, yo, me send her every day, you know. Right now, police, me ready to send this to you know. But me just want to make sure me keep you on your toes. So just in case me tell police they not, she not kill you. So yo, look more now. I go back over to the hospital.
Officer, I want to show you one video in the car. Me I get to realize say I'm a woman with my friend crash in the hospital right now.
You have it on video?
Yeah, so I'm find it if it'll show you. Alright, see it here.
Eh?
She that.
So where she there? Where she there?
She over beach park.
You sure she over there?
Right now she over there.
Ah, hold this.
Me no
Nothing.
really want to do nothing to her. You know, me just want to lock her up. Me just want to punish her. Cause I'm my best friend. She do that to me.
No, man, I go hold her, man. Don't worry yourself. See? Alright, so she over by park.
Yeah, right now she over there.
Alright, cool.
B. How are you? Yeah, you know, see me over beach park. I want to talk to you about something. Come give me a link. Alright.
So be away, turn up out and say, wait, come for what happened?
Look pan that video. How old is you?
What's up? How will you get that video there?
You tell me, sir, you really cut my heartbreak and you know say Mark my best friend and make you end up in hospital crash.
You don't like Mark.
How you feel like my best friend?
How your best friend feel like we? Your best friend too enough in a relationship and I don't like it.
You can't do that to my best friend.
What do you mean?
You know
Daddy?
say I'm my best friend and you cut him and break. Why you do that?
Me have to cut him break for come out of our relationship.
Be right now a relationship finish just you know, cause what you doing now tomorrow? Me not
What you really have to do? Say what done?
the relationship done.
You want me to kill you out here? You want me analyze you right after today, this evening? Yeah?
So how you have a knife so close to me?
What you mean by say this a relationship you done? You think that's a relationship got room for and supply within this a relationship?
The relationship done and me don't talk.
Yeah,
You can't do my friend Mark that.
don't run.
How you mean?
Drop it! Drop it! Listen, comply or die.
You not drop.
Drop it! Listen, man, listen. Go call the ambulance. Call the ambulance.